Alright, Dad, you guys go with the blues here. We had a request for chicken piccata. I could have sworn we had done chicken piccata before.
I think we did too. So we'll do it
But
again.
anyway, we'll do it. I'll put a freshie up on there. Last day before the shutdown, unfortunately, I think the governor's gonna pull the plug and, shelter in place. I think New York did it earlier today, right, Richie?
New York is already done, yes.
Yeah. But keeping a positive spirits and doing the best we can do, right? And cooking to me is therapy. And and for a lot of people, just getting over to your family and shut the TV off and cook. That's what we know how to do. And family, spend time with family, bonding. It's a good time to do it. We got a couple of so we're going to put a couple of lemons in with it for the piccata. Notice I don't have the fire kind of down, kind of low. So what we want to do is kind of just let the flavors kind of marry together. That needs a little more heat on that side. We all just want to make sure that our chicken's all the way cooked through. A good amount of capers. Those cooked lemons give us so much flavor. And it is a butterscotch. And we got the lemon. Just get rid of the seeds. Watch your fingers. Use a knife. Use a fork. I like to do it with a knife. If a parent knife is better, and you get some of the pulp. Get some of the pulp. And just cover it up and slow cook it for a minute while I come over and well, I don't have a whole lot of green onions left. This is it. Alright, we're going to put the fire up a little bit. out of the way real quick here, Glenn. Hey, green onions. There we go. As soon as that butter's melted, we're good to go. Okay. Oh, I gotta give it the emerald touch. Woo. Oh yeah. Chicken piccata. Little seed in there. You gotta be careful with that. You know it's fresh lemon juice. I never mind when I see a lemon pit on a dish. I know they're using fresh lemon. That's Daddy Jason. Come on back here. Come on back. Tom Curcio. Come on back for a second.
I'd shake your hand, but we're not supposed to, right?
Come on, arm's length. Come on back. Come on back. Our fire chief here in New London, local heroes. You know, been with the fire company for how long?
36 years.
36 years. And a lot resting on his shoulders. And
But I'm having your pizza tonight, so
yeah.
we're all set.
Chicken Thai pizza, you know, and then gotta have it, you know. It's, but we're gonna shut it down after tonight. Just everybody gonna be safe, and God bless you and all you do and your crew, and everybody stay safe.
Thank
okay?
you. You too.
Yes, sir.
Have a
Thanks
good night.
Thank you for your support, and God bless you. Hey, Jack's going with the Blues. Peace. Richie Del Santo, come on over one more time.
One more time, I'm out. You're out.
All right, my main man. And,
My main man.
Yeah, Richie Del Santo. Rich's Heating and Air Conditioning.
Everybody be safe. Peace out.
Yeah, and Richie's been in a few videos from the old days. Chaplin's Restaurant, you know, my Chaplin's Restaurant page. You've been around a while, you know, we've been rolling together for a little while. Good to come to you on camera. Thank you so much, all you do. It wasn't for you, all your technology and your expertise, you know. We're a bunch of hacks otherwise. We're not a cook, that's about it.
We ruined a couple, that's all.
Dad Jack's going with the Blues. Peace,
All right.
be safe.
Thank you.